Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sharp Claw from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes at the top with 2 circles. And let's make the right one slightly higher up. Now inside each eye on the bottom left, let's draw another small circle. And now let's color these both in black. Next, let's draw the top of the head. Let's start next to the right eye and let's draw a curve up and in. Now let's angle it over to the left. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the right eye and let's draw a curve down to the right. Now let's curve it up and over to the left for the top of the mouth. Then from the end, let's curve it down and back over. Now at the end, let's close it off with a line down and then a bump at the bottom. Next, let's move inside and draw the teeth. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw 3 V shapes. And then 3 curved ones underneath. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curved one on top, 2 underneath, three more on top like this, and another one underneath. Now let's leave another gap and let's draw one from the bottom, then one from the top, and then one more on the bottom like this. And that's it for the teeth. Next, let's draw the bottom of the jaw. Let's start underneath the mouth on the right and let's draw a small angle down. Now let's hop over on the left side and let's draw a curve down and over. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the body. Let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a line over and bring it down. Now let's bring it over and draw a large U-shaped curve down and back up for the arm. And now for the other side of the arm, let's draw another U-shaped curve inside. And now let's close it off at the end. Next, let's hop back up to the top and draw 4 points for the spikes. Now let's hop back down and draw the hand. From the end of the arm, let's draw a curve up and then bring it back down. And let's do the same thing on the left here. And on the right. And lastly, on the left side, let's draw a shorter one. And that's it for the left hand. Next, let's move over on the right and let's draw a curve down for the side of the body. And now on the right side here, let's draw the other arm. Let's start underneath the head here and let's draw an S-shaped curve down. Then let's curve it up at the end. And now a U-shaped curve for the other side of the arm. And now let's close it off at the end. Now let's add the hand at the end. Let's start with a first curve up and back down, overlapping the mouth here. Now the same thing up on the right. And on the left. And lastly, a shorter one on the right. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside the two fingers at the top. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath that body line we drew, let's draw a curve down and out. Then an angle on the other side over here. Now underneath, let's draw a V-shaped point down. And now let's add the toes. Let's draw 3 toes with curved triangle shapes. And now let's close off the foot by bringing the other line down and over to the top of the toe. Now let's move over and draw the other side of the leg. We'll start with a line across. Then let's draw a diagonal line down to the left. Now let's hop over on the left and let's start underneath the arm and let's draw a curved line down and out. Now from the end, let's angle it in. And now let's draw the toes. Let's draw the first one, pointing down and to the left. And then 2 more going over to the right like this. And then an angled line to close off the foot. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's move over and draw the tail. Next to the left leg here, let's draw 2 curves out to the left. Now at the end, let's draw a circular curve to close it off. Now let's add the spikes on the tail. Across the top, let's draw 4 V-shaped points. And then 5 going around the end of the tail like this. And that's it for Sharp Claw. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!